Good morning, students. Myself Dr. Shantani Bhattacharya, Assistant Professor of EC Department, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Katankuladu, Chennai. Today I am going to start a new topic, shift register. So, what is shift register? Shift register actually the device that loads data present on its input and moves or shift to its output. So, as it is shift, so it is called shift register, and it actually happens with the every clock pulse, with the input of every clock pulse. Okay, so data bits may be fed in or out serially, one after the other from either left or right direction or simultaneously in parallel configuration. Okay, so it is basically used for data storage or movement of data. So these are basically the types of shift registers. First of all, CISO, that means this is a short form, serial in, serial out. That means if I very quickly, if I will say, then it is called, that means serially we will input the data and output also, the data will actually in the output section it will come also serially. And CPO, that means serial in, parallel out. That means we are entering the data serially, and in the output section we will get the output simultaneously in the parallel mode. Okay, PSO, parallel in to serial out. That means parallelly data we will enter, and serially one by one we will get the output from the output section. Okay, PPO, that means parallel in, parallel out. Okay, that means parallelly we insert the data one by one, not one by one, simultaneously, and parallelly also we will get the output. Okay, now this is actually serial in, serial out shift register, or short form CISO shift register. Here you can see, that means we are basically using the flip-flops. Flip-flops, that means this is a very important register is very important applications of flip-flops. Okay, so here you can see all the registers. You can see all the registers are basically made of flip-flops. So here basically we are using D flip-flop. 4 D flip-flops are used. Flip-flop A, B, C, D. In all cases we are giving clock pulse simultaneously, and it is as according to the name, serial in, serial out. That means serially we are entering the data. First we enter the data to the flip-flop D, then it will pass to that means first we entering the data in the flip-flop A, then it will go B, then C, then D, then output. Then at the when first data will go from A to B, then second data will also come to the first flip-flop. In this way, one by one the output will go serially also. Okay, now this is a serial in, parallel out. That means C4 shift register. So in that case also here D flip-flop is used. 4 D flip-flop A, B, C, D are used. Clock pulse is here given simultaneously. Here also same thing we are actually we will do, that serially data are entering, okay, one by one, and here parallelly we are taken simultaneously all the data from the output. Okay, so this is actually the figure diagram. Okay, now parallel in, serial out. Parallel in, here also D flip-flops are used. All clock pulse are given in all flip-flops simultaneously, and data are actually given through these marks. Okay, so this is parallelly we are giving, when simultaneously all the data are given to all the flip-flops, and one by one serially the output will come. Okay, and this is parallel in, parallel out PPO shift register. In that case also all basically in 4D flip-flops are used, and clock pulse are given to all flip-flops, and parallelly the data are entering into the flip-flop, and simultaneously at the same time with the application of clock pulse we will get the output. So actually this one is much faster than others. So parallelly we are entering the data, and also parallelly we will get the output. So this is much faster than the other flip-flop. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Continuously I am giving you the other counter and other videos also, so it will be very helpful for you. Thank you so much.